Ordering fractions. Ordering fractions means writing a number of fractions from the smallest to the biggest, ascending order, or from the biggest to the smallest, descending order. This is done after changing all the fractions to the same denominator or numerator, as explained at the beginning of this tutorial. Example. Write the following fractions shown on screen in the ascending order. Solution. In this case, it is more appropriate to change all fractions to have the same numerator. Since LCM 3, 2, 5, 6 and 10 is 30, we have the following shown on screen. From theory, we know that if two or more fractions have the same numerator, the smallest fraction is the one with the biggest denominator. Hence, when written in ascending order, the equivalent fractions of the original ones are as the following shows on screen. Which corresponds to the following ascending order of the original fractions, we have the following shown on screen. This time it is better to have all fractions written at the same denominator. Since LCM 5, 15, 20, 30 and 12 is 60, we can write the following as shown on screen. Since in a list of fractions with the same denominator the smallest fraction is the one that has the smallest numerator, we can write the following as shown on screen. Which correspond to the following ascending order of the original fractions, we have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 3.3.6. To continue this tutorial, please watch 3.3.7, Ordering Fractions in the Number Line. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.